This is ANN News Brief.
The South African government has condemned a wave of gender-based violence, robbery and vandalism across the country, even amid COVID-19 concerns. Dozens of schools have been trashed or burnt to the ground. The Gauteng Education Department said this week there has been an increase in burglaries and vandalism incidents at schools in Gauteng since the coronavirus lockdown started. The department added that valuable equipment and school nutrition groceries were stolen. South Africa's Education Minister Angie Motshekga said it was disheartening to see criminals destroy the children's infrastructure with apparent impunity. He said 183 schools have been vandalized. Equipment has also been stolen in some of the affected schools. The minister has urged locals not to buy the stolen property. She said the ministry was working with the police to fast-track arrests in all affected areas and appealed for public support by reporting suspects. Rape and murder were reported in KwaZulu-Natal last month. A 14-year-old was reported missing in Soweto last week. The body was later found dumped in bushes. State-owned power company Eskom says there has been an increase in cable theft and vandalism, further disrupting an already overburdened power supply. In an open letter to the nation on Monday, President Cyril Ramaphosa vowed to take action. Ramaphosa said it was despicable that criminals were seeking to capitalize on the shutdown at a time when law enforcement authorities are embroiled in the national battle against the pandemic. South Africa has reported at least 2,272 confirmed cases of the coronavirus, including 27 deaths. 140 persons have been arrested and charged with crimes relating to gender-based violence since nationwide lockdown was announced 18 days ago to curtail the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization says nearly 1 million persons in Ethiopia are in need of food aid following locust invasion that has destroyed vast areas of farmland. The UN says while working with the Ethiopian government, it found that swarms of desert locusts had damaged nearly 200,000 hectares of mostly sorghum and maize fields. Kenya and Somalia have also been badly affected this year. Planes were used to spray pesticides in an effort to protect crops and pasture from the swarms. In Uganda, the army was deployed to help spray pesticide, but flight bans imposed because of the coronavirus have hampered these efforts. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
The World Health Organization, WHO, has begun setting up Ebola vaccination sites in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Following new discoveries of the disease, 2 persons had died of the virus in Beni just when the country was to declare the country Ebola-free on Monday. WHO and partners are now collaborating to overcome resistance and break the chain of the transmission within Beni community. The Ebola epidemic in the DRC, the 10th in the country's history, began in August 2018. Nearly 2,300 persons have died of the disease. That is ANN News Brief at 1. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adiemi.